The Accords are like 5 Series, bro. They're so long. Which brings me to my second car. I'm looking at most likely a 5 Series, so a 540. YouTube, what's going on, peoples? What's up? As y'all can see, we no longer in the Honda Dicky. Just clap it up for me, clap it up, man. Let's go. Boy, upgraded. Now I got a 540. All right, big 540 in the fucking chat. Big 540 in the chat. Now y'all might be asking yourself, what happened to the Honda? Your boy did get into an accident. A state trooper actually hit me and totaled the car out. They hit me my suspension, so my suspension was fucked. So I upgraded. And this is what I got for now, man. And I'm in love with it, bro. Like, I love this. Now, I'm recording this after I installed the mirror cap, so y'all gonna see this video first and then that one after. The grills I did have to put on. It is M Sport package, but the grills were chrome, so swapping these out was literally just popping the hood, putting a prying tool, and just grabbing the clips off. But yeah, man, I'm extremely excited. I already have tons of like plans that I want to do with the car. I'll be honest with y'all, I got the car maybe 2 weeks ago on Saturday, and I've been debating on a video or not and how I was gonna do it, but this is the best way to do it. I will also say another big thing. I'm gonna try and be more like personal, y'all. So if I take off the head strap and just talk to you guys, like, I'm gonna show my face, like, I don't really care. But I would love to do more POV drives, and I cannot wait to do it. I do want to shout out Junkie and Trishi. Those are like the top 2 people I watch for 540 content who inspired me to actually get one. If y'all noticed the paint, don't worry about the scuffs, don't worry about that. There's a cat in our neighborhood who climbs on top of my car. I don't know if y'all can see it, the little paw prints. Little fucker. Yeah, the paint is called carbon black metallic, so it looks black, but in the sun it looks like a blue, right? Like a deep blue. Oh, I will tell you though, I do hate how the car sounds. Well, not hate, it's just like it's a vacuum. So I'm in Sport Plus right now, and listen. It has like baby burbles maybe, but yeah, I definitely want to upgrade the sound soon. Interior wise though, I love it, bro.
Peanut butter fucking guts.
Now, I said this in the last video. I wanted a Beamer with peanut butter guts. And all I gotta say is all glory to God. Oh my Lord. This is recorded on a Sunday, by the way, so I just got out of church. Got out of church, threw the mirror caps on. And now we here, baby, we out. Ambulance. Oh my gosh. Yeah, bro, driving this thing is amazing. Like, the power that I have compared to my Accord was crazy. Don't get me wrong, right? My Accord was tuned before the accident happened, and I don't know why I just stopped recording. The amount of shit I done to that car that you guys didn't see, bro. I threw my downpipe on. Obviously I got the Borla exhaust, but I had my downpipe. I went the PLM downpipe on the Accord. I was stage 2 because I upgraded my intercooler as well with the intake. I think I was maybe rocking what, 320 to 350 horsepower, and that thing was amazing, bro. Like, I felt the power in that. But this car making how much fucking horsepower is this thing making? Let me take a look. 335. Imagine me going from a tuned car with 3-something horsepower to a stock one with 3-something. The difference is crazy. The amount of torque I get from an all-wheel drive car compared to my front-wheel drive was insane. Like, the difference is there. And I just love it, man. I love it. It is sad to say that the Honda did get totaled, but I view it more of as like a blessing as well, because, you know, they hit me, they were in the wrong. I'm pretty much safe. Like, I'm safe. I got a new car out of it. They paid off the car loan. I got a lower interest rate on this car. I am gonna say though, all glory to God, thank God, like that, like he did his thing with me. That was amazing, and I'm happy about that. When I was making the Honda videos, I had hella heads be like, yo, I know exactly where you at. Yeah, man. Yeah, bro, if y'all see me, say what's up. But yeah, I'm gonna grab some food. I really just wanted to introduce y'all to my new car. I gotta think of a name for her. I don't know what to call her yet, but hopefully you guys like it, man. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment down below what mod you guys want to see. I'm down to do whatever, bro. Until next time, guys, peace.